What is your favorite position?
Maybe a bit of doggy. Doggy.
Doggy?
Doggy, bro.
Doggy.
Missionary.
The doggy.
Reverse cowgirl. Same as missionary. Girl on top. She's facing the other way. Yeah. No eye contact.
Boom! Welcome to another banging episode of Streetz. On today's episode, we went asking very simple question.
What is your favorite position?
You'll be amazed at the kind of response we got.
Doggy.
Please, this episode is strictly for adults.
I like all positions.
Over 18 only.
Guys, how old are you?
18.
18.
All right, cool. So you guys can answer this question, right? What is your favorite position?
Right.
Doggy.
Nairi, you can't answer that.
But you go there.
I'm not answering that. That is not none of your business.
What is your favorite position?
Doggy.
Why is it? Wait. What is your favorite position?
I'm gonna go classic, mate. I'll go either doggy or missionary.
What is your favorite position?
Doggy, bro.
All right. What about you?
Run.
What is your favorite position?
Run.
Don't let me hang. Don't let you look. Just answer it.
I don't have a favorite position.
But you must have one.
I like all positions.
I heard that before. Missionary. Can you explain it to people what I mean?
Missionary. Does the job, done it? It's enjoyable for both. Why not?
What is it? What is it like?
I just don't like overcomplicating things, mate. It does the job, done it?
Wow, I like this guy.
Cowgirl.
Girl.
Cowgirl. Cowgirl.
Can you explain that? I don't even know what's that. Favorite position?
Dog style.
Say that again.
Dog style.
Why? I like it. Why do you like dogs?
I don't know, but that's my favorite.
How about you?
Well, I would say it's 69, isn't it?
69. Why is 69?
Right, because it's the best, man, you know.
What do you like about 69?
Just like, rambling with the girl, you know what I'm saying? The whole thing, Yeah, if it's not 69, it's doggy, man.
What is your favorite position?
Oh, reverse cowboy.
Let's kill boy. What about you?
Doggy.
Doggy? Say it louder, man.
Doggy.
All right. Why do you like doggy?
Because I don't need to do anything. I just let him do the work.
Oh, what about you?
Doggy as well.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, letting men do the whole work.
It's easy. Get over with.
TURNFLICKS, I told you, man. Guys. All right, mom. All right, mom. Listen, mom. I have a question for you, right?
Yeah.
What is your favorite position?
I don't know. Maybe a bit of doggy.
What is your favorite position?
I'm a virgin, so.
Oh, that's even better, man. So what about you?
Wait, no.
Come on. See how funny is it? Answer. Okay, she's out.
Sorry,
Just one. Just come on.
wait, sorry, can you repeat that question?
What is your favorite position?
Oh, God.
Your favorite position?
Run.
Oh, come on. Here you go, Glasgow City. We keep moving. In your favorite position?
Run.
Come here. Answer. You're man, right? If girls can answer it, you can answer as well, right?
I mean, you've been framed as fuck off.
Your favorite position?
In what? Oh, sex. Doggy, bro.
Like doggy. Why?
That's more grip in it.
More grip. Huh?
More grip.
Okay. How about you?
Missionary, bro, missionary.
Huh?
Missionary.
What is that?
It's like when you're standing, so she's facing you and you're facing her. And you just, she's like grabbing her, bro, it's crazy.
What? You can't touch. You can't ask me a question. That's my job. No. Hold on a minute. What did you say?
Missionary.
Missionary. I never heard it before.
Missionary, bro.
I'm new to this thing.
Type up, bro. Try it. Trust me.
Yeah. I learned something. Thank you, guys. John, what is your favorite position?
Oh my Christ.
Christ. It's Jesus.
It's a little bit inappropriate. No.
You already on it. Just give it to them. They want to know all of them.
Caitlin, can you help me out, please?
What is your favorite position?
What's my
Favorite position?
Position for what?
You know, you can figure it how you want, but you can just give us an answer.
On top. That's my favorite.
You're old fashioned.
Yeah.
I like that, man. I like that, big man, man. Big man say he likes on top.
What else?
All right, cool. You have to speak a little louder because you're too far from me. All right. What is your favorite position?
Fuck off.
That's not a position. That's a fuck off. Come on, just answer the big man before you fall down. I'll hold it. I'll hold this. I'll hold it for you. I'll hold it for you.
Okay, doggy.
A doggy. Oh, we have a doggy in there. Hey, your man love a doggy. What about you? What do you love? Guys, one question for the YouTube. Yeah, hey, I like how she was like, yeah, hi. What's your name?
Sonia.
Sonia. Where you from, Sonia?
Springburn.
Springburn? She's a Springburn? All right, Sonia, one question, right? What is your favorite position?
My what?
Your favorite position?
The doggy.
Oh, what's wrong with doggy style? Even this guy, hey.
Favorite position? 69.
69?
Yeah.
Why 69?
The easy one, and the girl like him.
Is it after the...
No, it's not for that. Like, it's the best when I give the best of myself. Is that position? I give the best of.
What about you?
I am good.
What kind of position do you like?
Doggy style, maybe?
Oh, yes. Doggy style. Yeah.
Yes.
Why?
Why? For you, why?
No, for you. Me, I have the microphone. I'm asking you a question.
Why?
Why doggy style?
Because maybe it's a perfect, you know? It's a good view, good panoramic, you know?
Good? I like, what did you say, good?
Panoramic, maybe. Sorry, man, I don't speak very well.
Where are you from?
Italy.
Italy. Pala, pasta. Where are you from?
I'm from Morocco and Italy.
Moroccan. You speak French?
No, I don't speak French.
You don't
Just yeah. I'm born in Morocco. 3 months later on, I've been in Italy. Like I was little. I just studied in school in Italy and everything I done in Italy.
Nice one, bro. Your favorite position?
What's that? 6'9"?
69. Wow, boy. 69. Why 69? Why 69? Why first?
It's freaky.
What do you like about it?
It's freaky. That's it.
That's 69.
Yeah.
Man, my guy, man. I don't know what is it. What is it? Can you explain it to them?
No, I can't.
No, you have to let them know so they know exactly what you're talking about. 69. I never done it before.
It's like the female, right? It's like you're basically in the opposite, like.
Okay, so like your leg on the leg, your leg on the top, or
So like the head, like the male, on like the lady's feet, basically. Then
okay, just
on the male's, like, you know, bottom, innit?
So basically you mean like upside down?
Yeah, upside down.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi.
What is your favorite position?
I don't have one.
You do have one. Everybody have one. You need to have one.
I don't. She does.
And I'll go for him first because he looks like he want it. What is your favorite position?
My favorite position? Lying down, aye. Sleeping, man. Definitely sleeping.
How old are you? Okay, old enough. Grandpa? Dad. Oh my God. Okay. I don't know if I can do this. I don't know if I can do this. What position do you like?
In what sense?
Okay, what is your favorite position?
In what sense? Because there are so many positions. There's position in class, there's so many positions. There's position in class, there's position in sex, there's position in everything.
I like the one you say. Anyway, you just... Your favorite position. Listen to the question. What is your favorite position?
Fast.
Fast is not a position. Anybody can go fast, right? Everybody can go fast, but fast is not a position.
That's why I'm saying that there are so many positions that you
pick one.
That you're referring to, but I mean anyone, like
pick one.
Anyone, like you see from the Olympics, anyone wants to be
one from the Olympic. So you can't pick one. Come on, give me an answer, man. One position. The one you was doing last night.
I know I wasn't doing anything, unfortunately.
My favorite position, yeah.
a high up standard, fam.
What is it?
Well, let's just say, first of all, my favorite position in life, bro. That's a different thing, you know. Bro, you want to be up there.
Like, give an example. People are watching you right now and they would like to know what's the highest that you're talking about.
Bro, I wanna keep my life. You know?
Thank you so much for watching this episode of Streetz, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and until next time.